Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Forney from Emerson Middle School, and I'm here this afternoon to talk a little bit about some backyard games that we can do with our family members that may not necessarily always be in the middle school or high school curriculum, but are still fun games that you can play nonetheless. And again, in a situation when we are like we are in now with online learning, it's a good time to do some different things with your family. So one of the backyard games that we like to play is called cornhole, and very simple. You need cornhole boards as well as 8 bean bags in order to do this. And you can get these online. You can get these at different sporting goods shops. And again, I guarantee you, a lot of you have already seen this. And if you don't have your own set, they're not that difficult to make. Maybe another project that maybe you or your dad or your mom can kind of come up with some different ways to make the boards yourselves if that's something that you're interested in doing. But the game itself is simple. It's up to 21, and there's a couple of different ways that you can play this. You can play it where it's 1 versus 1 or singles, or you can play it where it's 2 versus 2. And when you do play 2 versus 2, you're on the opposite side of your partner. And the game starts with you can do it by a coin flip, or you can do it by just one team offering up the chance to go. But what you do is you get points by either putting the bean bag into the cornhole. You get 3 points for that, or you get 1 point for your bean bag landing and sticking on the board itself. So if you miss the board, or if it bounces and then goes on the board, it's going to be 0 points. But it's a game that you can kind of play for hours back and forth, and it's kind of fun to do. And again, this is another easy game that we can do during the times that we are with online learning. And we, as our family, has been outside and done this a couple of times. So I took some video of this, and this is just another way that we can do some backyard games, some different things that maybe you don't necessarily get to do at school quite a bit. So take a look at the video and have some fun with cornhole.